Okay, this video is on non-deterministic algorithms, as I said it would be from the previous video. Well, we covered a deterministic algorithm. It's where each step, has one other, step next, has one other continuation from the previous state. Now, a non-deterministic algorithm is where you have an algorithm that has, multiple continuations of a previous state. You can see here, there are many different ways you can branch out. Like, you can go here, then you can go here or here, you can go here, then there or there. I mean, it kind of makes sense. Like I should go on a shopping list. You can have, they're different. When you have basically whenever you have a time to arrange something in any order you choose, it's non-deterministic. And usually two to the n possible combinations with that. And this, however, by contrast, is a deterministic version. This, I mean, you don't have to view it as just graphs from graph theory. You can look at it any other way. I just thought that this would be a good illustration. And so here we have a directed and has a directed graph with some cycles in them. You can see with little arrows there. We're not going to get into graph theory in these video series though, but anyway, this is a deterministic because each state follows the arrow or the next state and has the combinations are ordered and structured and determined to which they have, in which order they have to go to next. Now that's the exact opposite of non-deterministic, which kind of makes sense. They're in the opposite of each other. And non-deterministic algorithms usually have greater, complexities to deal with. I mean, they become harder to solve algorithms for them. I mean, there are there are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of algorithms out there, and even for just stuff like graphs and other just computer science related things. But they can be applied to everyday stuff, like again, shopping lists or anything else that can be done in any kind of order, like organizing shampoo bottles or something random like that. Okay, but that's all for non-deterministic algorithms. Next video we'll be talking about some, I would say, slightly more interesting stuff. We're going to be talking about how we really analyze algorithms and things like that, like best, average, and worst case scenarios, and that's probably where the bulk of algorithm efficiency testing really comes in. It's judging on their complexity. All right, so that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys later.